All right, we're going to be playing some Hill Climb 2 racing here. The one I wanted to show you was winning 6 races with Monster Truck. My Monster Truck is not built that well, and Paradise Bay is a kind of a fast race. This is definitely a rally car race, not a Monster Truck race. So I'm going to run this. It's 998 meters. So let's run this with rally car. Then we'll get off to trying to win races with the Monster Truck. Oh, that hurts. All right, we can still do this. We got a lot of time on this one. 600 to go. That right there helped a lot. I just got to be diligent here because he's also got the rally car. So if I don't keep things together here, it'll be hard to pull the final win out. I'm not going to go over because I'm in the lead. I'm going to just take it cool. Make sure I don't get hung up trying to get up that thing. And there's my win. All right, what's our next track so we can get after things with the Death Mountain. Death Mountain. Also not good for my monster truck, so let's do rally car on this one. And the reason I'm more picky about that right now is because as I progress towards 50,000 in the the I don't know what to even call that thing, the cup challenge, I guess it is. I don't want to go backwards by running the monster truck on a land like this where I almost certainly am not going to win. So I want to run the rally car here, get the win, move on, and a little shaky on this race for sure. Maybe I can still do all right. Second place. Okay. One more. That blue rally car is pretty fast. All right, I'm at 7, he's at 6, and I get the win. We're going to cut the commercial. All right, Bumpy Ride Cup. We're going to race that with the monster truck, try to get our wins in, and we'll see how we do. I'm not a terribly good driver with the monster truck, and I don't have it maxed out completely, but one race into the way there. Not my perfect start. I don't get the perfect starts all that often, maybe 30% of the time, or 20. It's not that much. Oh wow, it's a very short track there. Okay, 2. All right. Okay, this one's in a cavern. Monster truck doesn't have a hard top, and there I go. Just that quickly, I'm all messed up. So we get the cup win. That's good. I want my little buggy here in the cup challenges to be a win. Now we're going to do Challenger Cup with this guy. I think I've got to get six wins. I've got 2, so 4 more. Just be careful because it looks like I've got a good start. I just don't want to bang my head or flip myself over like right here. It's good to slow down, let her happen. Hopefully I don't take a bounce. There it is. I knew it too. That's not good for the kids. That's a race I should have had won. There we go. There's one. I need a lot on this to get the cup win. Second place in the cup is also not the end of the world. At least I don't regress in my overall cup chase for the 50,000. Okay, there's two. I believe that puts me at 4 with the monster truck. I got a second place there, so I just go ahead a little bit on the challenge here. This is green cup, I guess. Let's try this. We're looking for 2 more. Oh, that's not good. I'm glad I didn't do a head flip on that. Land on my neck. All right, there's one. Strong enough magnet to pick up that gas tank, which I don't think I need, but it's always good to have them. There's that one. Don't die here. 40 to go, and we should get our third win here. Oh, second win here, but okay. One more for the cup win, and then we'll go check our. Ooh, oh boy. Might be something to get ahead of those guys again. Maybe we can do it. Guess we did so far. 100 to go. A little bit of stall out there. Oh, he's coming at me. And we did it. All right. So that should be enough to get our challenge met. Another commercial break. The task complete. Claim that. 3,000. There's 2,700. Let's go take a look at our monster truck. So all the main stuff, engine, turbo, grip, suspension's all maxed out. Our parts we're running is the winter wheels, level 11, level 12 wings, and a level 4 magnet. And we'll upgrade the magnet for free. All right, so we did an upgrade for free on that, and this is probably one of those places in the game where I don't actually get the upgrade because this didn't go away, and it doesn't push, and it doesn't cancel, and I don't know. May or may not have gotten an upgrade. I guess we didn't. I guess it's a glitch or something in the game or something, but whatever. Okay, so that's the level of everything I'm running, and what I'm going to try to do on this channel is to show some series like that. Going to try to show the 10 race chest quite a bit, and this is my report card of my stats. Garage power 4180. I drive quite a bit. My team so far 268 K with 4 days to go. And let's see, back to me here. Some of the things I'm working towards is the 10,000 races and the 5,000 cups. I'm at about 50% and 57% on those, so I've got ways to go. And eventually, to head to the Canyoneer status, but that's a while out. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep racing.